Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to use your own hashtags on X, on Twitter. And the first step is go to the application of Twitter. And here in your feed, you need to go to this blue button here. This is the this button. Give it to you a couple of options like go live, space, photos, but you need to pick in the option of post here in the blue button, and after that you can script typing anything you want like hi, and after that to use your own hashtags you need to go to the hashtag. You put the hashtag and X give it to you all the hashtags in trending topic here in Twitter and X in X, and but you can type in your own hashtag like hi, and if that hashtag exists you can use it too. But if you want use a couple of hashtags like like your hashtags, you can put like today, for example. You can type in every hashtag you want and you create that hashtag and you can use it. So you pick and post and that's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.